With the growth of cryptocurrencies to invest in, traders are continuously on the lookout for new tools to help them predict crypto trends. The Bitcoin dominance ratio is a new measure that traders are using to identify differences in overall market circumstances between Bitcoin and all other currencies. When used properly, Bitcoin dominance can assist you in determining whether trading altcoins is a more profitable trend than trading Bitcoin. In this video, we'll learn what Bitcoin dominance is and how to calculate Bitcoin dominance. 1. What is Bitcoin dominance? Bitcoin dominance is the ratio between the market capitalization of Bitcoin to the total market cap of the entire cryptocurrency market. When we compare this ratio to the trend of Bitcoin itself, we can learn more about what opportunities the current market environment offers. To better comprehend Bitcoin dominance, traders must first understand market capitalization, and why it is so important. Market capitalization refers to the total value of all a company's shares of stock. It is calculated by multiplying the price of a stock by its total number of outstanding shares. For example, a company with 20 million shares selling at $50 a share would have a market cap of $1 billion. If you want to know more about cryptocurrency, don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell to receive updates from me. 2. Why is Bitcoin dominance important? Returning to our space analogy for the crypto ecosystem, just as the sun has a significant impact on the planets in its orbit, Bitcoin has a significant impact on the projects within the crypto universe through pricing. Because price is a factor in dominance, the price of Bitcoin is highly correlated with the price of all other coins. Prices, on the other hand, do not move in lockstep. The degree of correlation is proportional to dominance. Looking at the chart above, you can see how Ethereum fluctuated from 100% domination in 2013, to coming within 6% of becoming the new sun in the crypto ecosystem 4 years later. The concept of changing dominance, also known as a flippening, has its own language, as do most things in crypto. The concept of changing dominance is significant because it exemplifies the competitive character of cryptocurrency. Each coin is attempting to gain greater influence, which in the instance of Bitcoin versus Ethereum, boils down to the two coins' differing consensus methods, proof of work versus proof of stake. Based on the Bitcoin dominance chart, Bitcoin maximalists believe that the solar system can only have one planet, and that all others will eventually be eaten by Bitcoin, which will be at the center. The same may be said for Ethereum maximalists, and so on across the ecosystem. As a result, Bitcoin dominance is a proxy for Bitcoin's evolving influence over the crypto ecosystem, as well as the importance of proof of work and its relationship to decentralization, which is a key element of maximalism. Because proof of work requires regular energy use, it has a significant environmental impact, which is a hotly debated topic, and dominance is a measure of acceptance of that essential requirement. The Real Bitcoin Dominance Index is a competing dominance index that exclusively compares proof of work coins. For the short becoming, that includes Ethereum, which is transitioning from proof of work to proof of stake. It is believed that the success of the transition will have a substantial impact on dominance. 3. How to calculate Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance is calculated by dividing the total market capitalization of Bitcoin by the total market capitalization of all cryptocurrencies and multiplying the result by 100%. Bitcoin market cap, over $1.1 trillion. Total market cap, over $2 trillion. Using your calculator, multiply your final result by 100% to get 54.4%, which is the current market domination of BTC. The above method can also be used to determine the dominance of any crypto in the market. All information about any crypto market cap can be obtained from CoinMarketCap. Simply divide by 100% to obtain the result. That is the end of our video. Hope you now understand more about Bitcoin dominance and how to calculate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to CoinFMaster for more useful videos.